Judith Atieno from Kenya, Nairobi. I'm in Rwanda. Well, I'm glad for the gratitude opportunity that have given to me to join the Rayon Sports Women. The contract I've signed for Rayon Sports Women is for 1 season. Yeah, I have 1 season here in Rayon Sports. Okay, I started this football when I was young. I was 12 years old. It has helped me a lot. It has paid my education. I like it very well. I've played for Madara United Women Football Club 2018 and 2020. I was the team top scorer in those 2 seasons in that club. I'm a striker. I've come here to show you how I can do it. I always play for the badge. I like playing football. It has helped me a lot, me and my family. I can't tell much about it, but what I know, it's football trusted in this country, in Rwanda. It has a lot of fans. Yeah, I think by time I'll know it more. Yes, I know him. Yeah. Yes, I've known Paul Were. He is a Kenyan, yeah, here in Rwanda. I'm happy to meet him, and we'll associate more and I'll more about Rwanda. The message I can give to Rayon Sports, I like this team, and I want to assure you, I want to do what brought me here. I like playing for the badge and be the best to the field and be the best for the team.